Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today, we need to rule about this one in here. So now I will show you how to answer. I will consider about the left side of this equation. We know that tan x we can change into sine s squared over cosine s squared. Similar for this one. We know that cosecant of s that's about 1 over sine s, and we have 1 over sine s squared. And this one, secant of s, that is about 1 over cosine s, and we have 1 over cosine s squared. This one is about 1 over sine. Next, for this one, I will multiply by cosine s squared on numerator and denominator. For this one, I will multiply by sine s squared cosine s squared on numerator and denominator. Now we need to simplify. Cosine s squared divided by cosine s squared. This one we have sine s squared. Cosine s squared multiplied by this one and this one. We will have about sine s squared minus cosine s squared. This one we have sine s squared simplified by sine s squared. So this one we have cosine s squared. This one multiplied by 1 over cosine s squared and 1 over sine s squared. So we will have about sine s squared minus cosine s squared. Because we have same common denominator, so we can put sine s squared plus cosine s squared on the same common denominator. We know that sine s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. Next, I will put the negative on numerator and denominator. We put negative go inside sine s squared and cosine s squared. This one they will change into cosine s squared minus sine s squared. And we know that cosine s squared minus sine s squared, we have cosine 2x. 1 divided by cosine 2x, we change into negative secant of 2x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.